Welcome to my Sunday special favorite moong dal sprout salad. So first I'm gonna add sprouted moong dal and I boiled it little because sometimes raw sprouts become a reason of gastric issues. To get started, let's take a quick look at what we need for our salad. Add finely chopped cucumber for crunch, the juicy tomatoes, the sharpness of onions or any vegetables which is available at your home. And this is a mango time, so I added raw mango pieces for some tanginess, some roasted peanuts for crunch, some soaked almonds cut into small pieces, and some kishmish for sweet and sour tasted, and I added some seeds also. A dash of chaat masala, some black pepper, salt according to your taste, black salt, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Give it a mix, mix it all together, and there you have it, a vibrant, refreshing moong dal sprout salad. Perfect for a healthy snack. I hope you're enjoying making and eating this salad as much as I do. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. So see you next time. Happy cooking.